Say good morning now. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
How are you?
How are you?
Hi, guys. We just woke up this morning. It's Friday morning. Look at my coach. Hi, Chief. Say hello.
Hi, Chief. Hello.
Yeah, now say hello. Hi, Chief.
Hello.
Hi, Chief is saying hello. Hello, beautiful people. See, Chuku Bife. Can you see, guys? How are you guys this beautiful morning? Friday morning. I'll still prepare to go to work. Don't mind me. Just wanted to do a little video with them. See you guys later. Yes. We've graduated from that other one, so let's
Oh, yeah, make me.
So how much you go be now? I take one, two for that Wakanda. Then this one. Then Aizal. 2,000. A 3. Take.
At 2,000. Oh, what's one by my auntie? I'm going to lose him money. Oh, no.
A few moments later.
Hi people, good morning. How are you guys? No one. How are you guys doing? I was so tired when I came back yesterday, so I decided to just do the unboxing this morning. So I just got some few things. Like I got measurements, golden moon. I got this for 3K. Not complete. For 1.3 for a row. I think 2.6 for the two. I also measured oats, half pins. Yeah, half pins. This is also 3K. I got disposable bag for 1,000 naira. I got this washing 1.5. I got this for I don't know, I can't remember, but maybe like 1,000. Then I also got this for 1.2. I love this Wakanda soap. Like I love the lemon smell. I got oil for 2.2. I got I can't open this, but this is wheat, blended wheat. I got this for 4K. You buy and grind anyway. Then this is corn and cassava. So you buy and then blend. You buy and blend. So then this is my blended bunga fish. This is ogbono. I want to make ogbono this weekend. Ogbono soup. Then this yam. I bought this yam each for 3.5. 3.5. So I bought 3. I bought 3 of it for 3.5 each. Then for my cookies, I'm not selling cookies. I'm not a businesswoman. So I use icing sugar, then my flour. So basically, I got this plantain for 1,000 naira. Although I bought it in different places. You know how market is now. When you buy in a place, you will be saying, maybe I didn't get a good price. But it's the same thing. 5 pieces for 1,000 naira. The same thing for this one too. So for this two is like 2,000 naira. But I bought it in different places. Then I bought beans. 1 derica. I love white beans. I bought beans 1.5 for a derica. Then I bought my measurement milk. I'll use this for my cookies. I love it. I love the taste. It's industrial one, but it's very nice. So I bought it. I bought like 3. So each cup is like 112 for each. That's how it is. So I bought these 3 like this for 3.6. And basically that's what I got, guys. So please kindly watch my videos. Okay, that is all I got for just what I just need. So that's just what I got. So please guys, kindly watch my videos, subscribe, share, and don't forget to comment. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Bye.